I'm Rajiv. I'm representing Volvo Car India. I'm responsible for essentially network and product. So these are the two new products which we are launching today. So as you can see it here, our current model lineup, the car lineup that is there, is essentially all of these petrol and diesel that you see it here. So we've got starting range of our lineup in terms of, let's say, sedans is S60, which is in petrol. Then we have XC40, the SUV starting lineup, which is again in petrol. And then currently, if I go by the current lineup, then we have S90, which is the sedan, e-luxury sedan. Then XC60 is another of our very successful SUV, mid SUV range, and then followed by two high-end SUVs, which are XC90. These are the flagship cars that we have in the SUV category. So as you can see that our overall, we are representing in overall luxury segment for sure. But then some of our cars are petrol and some of our cars are diesel. So that's where we stand today. And our hope is, our ambition is that very shortly we are going to convert this whole, whatever is left in diesel, to petrol. So that is the big plan for the short term. That's what we are aiming to. So as I said, that right now what we are having in our flagship sedan S90, which is on a diesel fuel. So this car, we are launching it with the petrol, and it's only petrol. So we are discontinuing diesel in S90. So that is a big news that we wanted to share with all of you. Just to put the story of the car line in perspective, so we have S60 sedan in petrol, we have S90, our flagship sedan, also in petrol, this one. Then we have XC60, our mid-range SUV, now only in petrol. XC40 was already in petrol. So out of our 5 model lineups, now 4 cars already we are transitioning to petrol. So that leaves us with our flagship SUV. So we have plans, and shortly we will announce. This is Rajiv. I'm representing Volvo Cars India, and along with me our partners for Tamil Nadu, Mr. Karthik and CEO Mr. Arun are also besides with me. We are extremely happy that we are here for a very good reason today. Today we are announcing the new model launches for our 2 new car lines, which is, one of them is S90, which we are transitioning from diesel to petrol. And another one is XC60, our SUV range, a very popular model once again. We are again transitioning this model from diesel to petrol. So this is a very, very big occasion for us. And these cars comes equipped with some big new features as well, some first of its kind programs that we are launching for India. For example, customer parts lifetime warranty is a very, very big and first of its kind in India. So we are extremely happy to announce the launch of these 2 cars through our Tamil Nadu facility, which is in Chennai. In Tamil Nadu, we are represented, of course, in Chennai, and then we have set up very recently a facility in Coimbatore as well. So we are representing, our representation of Volvo Cars in Tamil Nadu is through our partners, which is Volvo Tamil Nadu in Chennai and Coimbatore. And as far as these 2 cars are concerned, we are launching them at a very attractive price of 61.9 lakhs. Both cars are at 61.9 lakhs each. So that's that.